So, folks, with me I have Tanish today at Toons, and this is one of the most famous burger joint in Pune camp area where people come and enjoy their burgers. Now, this has been founded by my very dear friend Ramesh, and she happens to be his daughter taking over a business. The Gen Z is here. So, Tanish, typically when a student or somebody who's in a college walks in here, what is it that he has in budget? In what budget can he have a nice meal and be okay done? Okay, my tummy is full. Like,
I think 100 rupees is good enough. 100 rupees, 150 rupees, and I think we'll have a good meal and a beverage and a good burger, a filling burger. So I think for students also it's like a good budget.
and I mean, what is the most favorite burger among these young folks who come from college or from school? What is it that they like the most?
Usually the young crowd goes for a lot of the mini chickens and the mini veg burgers because it's small but it's filling at the same time, and also it's very pocket friendly at the same time. So I think the mini burgers sell a lot.
Okay, mini burgers.
Yeah.
Basically, they are more budget friendly.
Budget friendly also, but and at the same time they're filling also. They're not really small, so our prices are lesser, quantity is much more, and I think with the money that you'd be spending over here, you can save some more money to buy a movie ticket maybe.
Tanish, a lot of places when you start, they have a history. What is the history of Toon? When did this start and how? Like, can you tell us something about it?
Yeah, so a lot of people don't know, but we started 30 years ago,
Oh, wow.
and we were on MG Road.
I think the Wonderland in the basement.
Yes. So we were the first underground sports cafe that Pune's seen, and we started off there, and gradually we've come here, and we opened up this place 5 years ago. We're going to complete 5 years
Wow, many
this July.
I'm having their signature burger, which is the Metallica burger. पहला बाइट लेते हैं. आप देखोगे काफ़ी जूसी बर्गर नज़र आ रहा है. वाह, पहला बाइट लेते हुए हम इसे कहते हैं टेस्ट का बस्ट. फ्रेश ब्रेड, वेरी फ्रेश, सॉफ्ट कोर, जूसी, succulent, and भाई melt in the mouth bun. You know why?
And the most interesting thing that I liked about them is that they make their own buns, which was something unique which not many places do. And when I came here for the first time, I saw that the normal burger with the square patty. I had not seen such a big burger anywhere, so it was really amazing. And the tastes are really unique, something that you don't find anywhere else. My evergreen would be the classic mini veg because I know it's healthy. They make everything in-house.
The garlic bread is all made in-house. Even the mayonnaise, all the different kinds of mayonnaise that are made here, they're all made in-house.
Oh, is that?
Yes. So I feel not everybody does that. Like most the people, they outsource their buns and their mayonnaise and they're all packaged stuff, but we make it fresh.
Home style burger mean what? What is the concept of a home style burger?
Something that is baked in-house, not very fancy, just your outright simple straight burger, not overdoing it. Just, simple classic flavors, nothing very fancy. We use high quality ingredients, our kitchen is hygienic, even I think the vibe around here is nice, and I think you can peacefully enjoy your meal. The burger is also, I think, well balanced. I think a lot of people come and appreciate the steak and everything, and they'll be going gaga over how good the steak is and how the burgers are so flavorful. And
What brings me back to Toons is hospitality, one, and the burgers. The burgers are amazing, out of this world. One of the best places I've had burgers in my life. I love the chicken burger. It's my favorite. It's my go-to actually. It's a staple food for me. See, the quality of burgers here and the quality of burgers elsewhere is completely different. The ingredients that I use and the taste is just amazing. It's out of this world for me. The burger is life actually. And it's between the buns and it's amazing.
What are the challenges you face as a person who has a burger restaurant and selling so many other stuff on the menu?
I think it's that me being consistent, being able to, during rush time, being able to take up all the orders, making sure nobody has to wait, ensuring, everybody gets their food on time, and making sure that we have enough prep so that we don't run out of stuff during the middle of the week or during like a busy weekend. So I feel that is important when you forecast your week ahead and you know how much you're going to sell, what you're going to do. So all that is important, I feel.
I saw a very interesting thing that there was an alarm that rang in
Yes.
some. And what is the alarm
So
for?
that alarm, we make sure that our staff washes their hands after every half an hour so that there is hygiene maintained in the kitchen. So all of them make it a point to go wash their hands whenever the alarm rings, no matter what they're doing or how busy they are, they will go wash their hands. I feel when people are wearing gloves, they think, yeah, just because we are wearing gloves, we can touch anything. So then it is okay if we touch anything else, and then if we touch the food, because they have this in their mind, okay, we're wearing gloves, so we can do this. But then they don't understand that's more unhygienic
Okay.
than not wearing gloves. So we would rather let them wash their hands every half an hour and then handle the food.
Okay, so this is my first time in the Tone. Let me take a bite and amazing. One of the best place in the Pune. I should recommended you guys to visit here. One of the best burger in the Pune, and the ambience are also good. Crunchy and amazing.
See, one very interesting thing that people say, yeah, junk food hai, burger mat khao, burger junk food hai, junk food. I mean that. So, what is your take on that? Is it really a junk food, or I mean, it's a myth?
I mean, of course, burger is a junk food, but I feel carbs are as important as your protein and your fiber. And I think a good, well-made burger in hygienic conditions won't do you much harm on a cheat day. So, of course, it is a junk food, but if it's a good burger, I don't think it's going to be that bad. So, a lot of people do that. They come and they end up having a grilled burger.
Grilled burger.
If they're not going for something very unhealthy or fried. So we have a lot of options for grilled burgers.
Okay, like, I mean, which one?
We have our Metallica, we have your Jimi Hendrix, we have your steak burger, we have a grilled patty chicken burger, we have the Jim Morrison. So we have a lot of options for healthy people as well, and of course the steak. So
And from the pizza variety that you have,
the barbecue chicken for sure.
barbecue chicken. Food is there, pizza is there, burgers are there, steaks are there, something that gives something with a sweet tooth.
Yes, of course, we have the Serradura, and for the eggless ones, we have Serradura. It's this Goan Portuguese dessert. Very simple but very flavorful, and it's a very basic and a very classic old recipe, but it really tastes very nice. We have this caramelized milky flavor that goes with it, along with, for texture, we've added biscuits to it.
Okay.
And like a hint of more flavor, we've added peanuts and coconut to it.
And anything else apart from that?
And of course, the baked custard is our hero.
Okay.
So, a lot of people don't know about this, but the baked custard actually tastes amazing. It has a cinnamon sauce that goes on it. It's a very simple recipe, but tastes outstanding.
In beverages, what do we serve?
So we have a in-house soda machine, and we have these different soda flavors. We have cola, green apple, blueberry, and orange. And also a lot of people don't know, but I feel we serve the best fresh lime water, perfectly balanced, and there's iced tea, and even the cold coffee is out of the world.
Okay.
Yes, that is, I feel, every day coming back to work and doing the same thing, and being that thorough and being that consistent is very difficult. I mean, you'll have your weekends where you're extremely tired, you're just through and you're done for the day, but the next day you have to show up. So that's I think people in hospitality, they don't get a break. We're working 365 days a year. Everybody else will be out on your Saturdays, enjoying your Sundays, there'll be holidays, but we don't get holidays. We have to be here. So I think people think it's very easy to say, yeah, you're running a restaurant, but they don't understand the amount of hard work, the passion, and the mental exhaustion that goes into running a business like this, and living up to people's expectations, and serving your best. All of us love eating, so we try new restaurants every Monday. So we go out for dinner as a family, because I think that's the only one day that all of us can sit together and eat. That's the one day that we spend as a family.
So let's not name a place, but what is it that you prefer to eat on a Monday? You all sell so much stuff yourself, but then what is it that you like to eat?
All of us are big fans of the Japanese cuisine, so we usually go out to have sushis and dim sums.
Ah, okay. Superb. Any message to your viewers?
Please do come have the burgers. We have amazing burgers, and we're right here from Tuesdays to Sundays, and we're open from 11:30 to 11 p.m. So please drop in.